I want us to leave President Trump one last gift from us to him. He welcomed us into his house. If it be appropriate, I want you to grab the hand of your neighbor next to you. Baby Alexander this week was born into the Trump family.